Now you're recording.
Okay, second hive of bees going in. And why do you wet them down?
It calms them down and it keeps them from wanting to fly. What I'm doing now is I'm going to pry up the lid and get the queen out.
You can see activity over in the other hive over there.
Get that sugar can out. Get them staples out of there if I can.
They just buzzing over there.
Worried about what's going on over here.
Now he has to take the can out.
Yep. He's used this can before. See this little tab right here? It's got, that's what the queen is attached to. Alright. So now I'm going to pop down all the bees like that.
Bonk.
Get just enough where I can get the can out and the queen.
Uh-oh. Let me hold that.
Yeah, I don't need this anymore. I have that, the top.
There's Queen.
And make sure she's alive. Well, yes, she is.
Is there candy in there?
Yep. Made busy eating on it. Oh no, we're not. Damn, I don't have my knife or nothing. Will you run up to the truck? I mean up to here, I'll be right back. You stay right here, okay? I'm gonna put her in my pocket